Hello friends, in this video we will learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. Allow. The teacher allowed the students to work in groups. Attend. She attended the concert with her friends. Avoid. He avoided eye contact with his ex-girlfriend. Complete. He completed his homework before going to bed. Communicate. They communicated their ideas through email. Comfort. The mother comforted her crying child. Close. He closed the door behind him when he left the room. Clear. He cleared his throat before speaking. Clap. The audience clapped their hands after the performance. Chase. The dog chased the squirrel up the tree.